Hello everyone. So I'll quickly talk about AWS Amazon Cognito. So if you're building a web application or a mobile application, Amazon Cognito allows you to quickly create sign up, sign in pages. This is especially useful if you have other services from AWS as well. Say for example, if you have AWS S3 service or DynamoDB service, then this is really helpful for creating these web applications. So this is a small piece to the puzzle. So along with Amazon Cognito, you can also use the Amplify service from AWS to build React pages. So what we want to do is we want to create something similar to this. So let me copy this and I can show you what you can build with the AWS Amazon Cognito. So you can build sign-up pages like this. So here you have a full-blown sign-up page. In addition to this, you can also have a sign-in page with your corporate IDP as well. So I don't have that, but if you had, say, Azure Active Directory, so you can have a sign-in with the Azure Active Directory as well. So here what I have is I have a social login, so I can continue with my Facebook login, or I can have my own user account. So for example, I created a user account called milton@milton.com, and I can log in with ABCDEF 1, 2, and I can have a sign-in page like this. So it redirects me to a localhost page, but it can redirect you to any page you want. So what happens behind the scenes? So let me go to my AWS Cognito homepage. So in my AWS Cognito, I have a user pool. So this is where the users gets created. So I have a user called Jersey Rental, and if I go into my users and groups, you will notice that there is this account. So the sign-in that I created, milton@milton.com. So it belongs. This is the user that is created in the user pool. So I mean, I don't even have to create this kind of a let me sign in as a different user. So this comes full blown, so you can also have a sign up page. So I can create a new user here. So I can fill in all these things. And what AWS Cognito can do is it'll send you a passcode to that user, to this email address, and then you can verify this email address, and then you'll be able to log in as well. Or I can continue with my Facebook login. So in this case, it's going to authenticate with my Facebook login and let me in as well. So obviously a really cool service to have because it gives you all this nice sign up page, and you can also have say forgot your password. So if you have your password, you can, if you forgot it, it gives you self-service ability as well. In addition, you can also set up multi-factor authentication, set up SMS texting, and so on. So really cool service, especially if you're building a web or mobile application, and this is something you can incorporate in your application. And again, if you're going to be using other AWS services, then definitely more reasons why you should use this service. Okay, thanks.